We hear tales of groupies having one night of passion with rock stars all the time. But is it truly the windfall that so many think if a groupie unexpectedly has a star's baby? The 1988 Minnesota case of Zabloski versus Hall examined this question. Andrea Zabloski, a 24-year-old mother on food stamps and public assistance, lived with her daughter in a small one-bedroom apartment. One night in 1983, she and musical artist Daryl Hall had sexual intercourse, from which Zabloski became pregnant with Hall's son. Hall, a famous and successful musician, lived frugally in upstate New York, even though his annual income was in excess of $1 million. Zabloski was uneducated, had very little income, and received child support for her daughter. Zabloski gave birth to Hall's son, Darren, in January of 1984 and filed a parentage suit a few months later in trial court. Before the trial, however, Hall acknowledged that he was the father. At trial, Zabloski requested over $3,000 in monthly child support. The court awarded her custody of their son and ordered Hall to pay $1,000 in monthly child support, provide Darren's medical and dental coverage, and pay for any uninsured medical and dental expenses. Zabloski appealed, claiming the child support award was inadequate and that the trial court abused its discretion by failing to consider Hall's standard of living.